this conference is full of soul and spirit. I can see researchers and academics comes, senior researchers, senior academics come and exchange ideas, talk about their research with enthusiasm. It's not only research of an academics, but also a research from someone who really loves the culture and the language. And I can feel the love of the love from all the researchers who come here to the language and the culture. And it is extraordinary, and I didn't find anything like this in other country in any conference. So this is not only just a conference, this is a cultural experience for me, and I can feel the love of the cultures. So I think I will take this spirit to my country, and I would love to see Sundanese people or the indigenous culture in Indonesia also thrive like this. And also I would like to, what I see also, all the speakers speak with enthusiasm, with high spirit. It's almost like not an academic, it's almost like a politician. Because I cannot understand what they are saying, but the spirit, you talk like with full energy, and like trying to influence other people. I guess if I understand the language, I will be influenced by what you are all saying. And I really wish I can understand the language. So maybe next time I could come again, and next time I could see any subtitles or translation, or maybe the AI technology can help me understand Sindhi language better, and then I can absorb all the important knowledge from you all. So I really wish I can absorb the knowledge, but I don't have that tool of Sindhi language because I couldn't understand it. For those of you who present the paper in English, I thank you. Thank you so much. I can get something from that. And also thank you for this cultural experience. I love the Pakistani people, the Sindhis. They are very friendly, very helpful. The hospitality was top, excellent. I don't know what other words, if there are other words that can, express the hospitality, higher than excellent, maybe I will use that word. Okay, so without further ado, thank you for inviting me.